welcome you on this important occasion where we are launching the distribution of avocado seedlings to our farmers for planting during this rainy season. The seedlings have been nurtured here at ATC in an initiative out of partnership between the county government of Kisii and the European Union through the EU Ideas Project. The global level demand for avocado fruit has increased remarkably in recent years due to the growing consumer awareness of the potential health benefit of the fruit. Hence the need for us to take advantage given the conducive climate in the country. Indeed, here in Kisii, we have comparative advantage in production of avocado, banana, which are the key value chain in promoting food security, employment creation, and income generation. Collectively, the area under avocado in Kisii, which is dominated by the local variety, which is referred to as jumbo, is currently estimated at 1,564 acres, with an average production of 16.5 metric tons per hectare, annually translating to 25,800 tons. And later I'll be able to explain those tons, what we mean by a ton, and you see what we are expected to get as an earning as a people. But we have the potential to produce more than 60 metric tons per acre, annually translating to an adoption of quality planting materials for improved quality and productivity. And to note that the only certified organization in the country which certifies fruits is Kisii. And this nursery has been certified. Therefore, any plant coming out of it is a certified plant, and we are ready to do or to export our avocados from here to other countries in the world. In this first production cycle, the fruit tree nursery had a capacity of 200,000 avocado seedlings. But moving forward, it is anticipated that the capacity will increase and accommodate banana plants, coffee seedlings, which is Ruilu 11 variety, to support those respective value chains. And I want to repeat that what we are distributing now out of our nursery, it's 200,000 seedlings. We'll translate it into what we are expecting to plant in our farms and what we expected returns in terms of money. Already 50 agricultural extension officers have been trained as trainers of trainers, whom we call TOTs, with the support of Ms. Agri, and have proceeded to train 400 avocado farmers drawn from all 9 sub-counties. These farmers will therefore act as a learning center on avocado crop management for the other farmers.
We set up the avocado nursery. In your manifesto, which you promised our farmers, you indicated that during your tenure, you are going to give farmers avocados and ensure that the county has avocados in large numbers. You also promised that you are to support the growing of bananas and also coffee and pyrethrum. Being the Minister for Agriculture, I have worked with you and I have seen that you are delivering your manifesto.
Make your order now. Make your order. Pata hii miti, Mungu akipenda 2.5 years umeanza kuuza. Na mimi nimesema out of all those farmers who will have been registered, because we know you have a certified plant, tunaweka pamoja na tunaleta wale ambao watu wananunua.
Ni asimuga makori kurwa masige west wawasi kugura nigo nagure mite 50 ya avocado tayete nero gotuga ikiagera ni yanjete ne biasara byani byanjete okwende okonyora kwaye ni mbuyere ayendete bwati gasi nyinge bunegento tokoga bunechaye ikiaire miaka yane ya beire una tinko nyora gosoa sechai ono ndo chenga simwe kichi avocado na kira ngama bato anyabo sukerio mabwe miaka na kokonya batu kurubana amote binga emete yechi avocado ose avocado ne bwate amabata amaya ekero kuraje simeke na machiko obwate amachiko ya agirigacha magotebi osimekebo kokora bwate amachiko nabo ne bwate amabata aramaya chi avocado nabo igo bintu ne bingo bikorwo igo